In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable price notifications on Binance app. Let's get your alerts set up so you never miss a market move. Start by opening the Binance app on your mobile device. Make sure you're on the official app and that your internet connection is stable so everything loads correctly. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top left corner and tap the three dots. This opens the main menu, which is where you'll find the controls you need. Now, at the top right of that menu screen, tap the gear icon. That takes you into the app settings. Think of this as your control center for how Binance communicates with you and how your alerts behave. Inside settings, locate the option labeled Notification Preference and tap it. This is where you'll manage what types of messages the app is allowed to send. Next, choose Price Alert. You're now in the dedicated area for market alerts. This section is designed to help you track price movements without keeping your eyes glued to the screen. You'll see two key options here, Automated Price Alert and Custom Price Alert. Go ahead and enable both. Automated Price Alert typically covers broad, system-generated notifications, such as major price swings or notable market changes that the app flags for you. Turning this on is helpful if you want the app to surface meaningful movements you might not be actively tracking. Custom Price Alert, on the other hand, is for notifications tailored to the specific prices you care about. Enabling this prepares the app to notify you when a coin hits a threshold you set later. Even if you don't configure individual alerts right now, switching this on ensures you're ready to add them whenever you're ready. Before you exit, take a moment to confirm that the toggles are active and visible. Some devices display a subtle color change or a check mark when a setting is enabled. If you rely on these alerts, it's also a good idea to maintain a consistent data connection so alerts arrive promptly. If you don't receive notifications after enabling these options, check your phone's system settings to make sure notifications are allowed for the end of the Binance app. Silent or blocked system notifications can prevent alerts from appearing, even if everything looks correct inside the app. That's it. Your price notifications are now enabled. With both automated and custom alerts active, you'll be better equipped to respond quickly to market movements and manage your trades with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.